Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to day 4 of Junk Journal January. Today's prompt is outline, so let's grab our junk journals and start getting creative. First, I did have to flip through my pages of the junk journal and find the one that would fit today's prompt the best. As I already explained in one of my previous videos, I like to always pick and choose by hopping around in my junk journal when doing those junk journal challenges, so that I can sometimes a specific page makes more sense for a prompt than another one. That's why I don't work in my junk journal in chronological order when I am doing those challenges. And here for the outline prompt of the day, I decided to use this very transparent paper that is from an old photo book. So I decided to just sketch a face underneath the transparent paper here to go from there. And I did grab this Posca paint marker here, not sponsored, but if you want to hit me up, and just draw this one line drawing. I thought it would be fun to make it a one line kind of outline. Maybe it's a bit cheating because it's not really an outline of something, especially as I skipped the outline of the face completely, kind of. But I thought one line would maybe fit. Like the last few days, this is also a very minimalistic one. I feel like I'm just in the mood for more minimalistic art journal and sketchbook spreads, as well as my bullet journal is quite minimalistic at the moment as well. I think it's just January and the very much deep-rooted sense of simplicity I'm longing for. Maybe I'm just overcomplicating it by thinking about it too much. But now I'm doing just the little day of the challenge, so day 4 button here again with the book page. How's your junk journal January going? Are you taking part? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And if you are taking part, do you have a already theme going on for this challenge? Like mine is kind of minimalistic or simplicity. Maybe simplicity is the best word for it. And we will see how long we go on with that kind of theme before we start going more maximalistic on a collage page or something in the future. We will see how it goes. That's the fun part about junk journaling, or just journaling in general. You can totally do whatever is your favorite in that moment. So one day might be very simplistic, the next day might be very maximalistic. Here I did just glue down the day 4 sticker and then decided to add a little word of encouragement on the backside. Because the fun part about this transparent paper here is that you can obviously see the face from 2 sides of this page in the junk journal, and I really love that. It's very pretty here looking through onto the book page, but it's also pretty and fitting if you flip over the page and have the map as the background for the face as well. So I'm really, really happy with how this page turned out. Can't wait to dive into tomorrow's challenge. I'm very, very happy with how this challenge is going along. I can't really believe we're already on day 4. If you are taking part in the Junk Journal January challenge, what is your favorite prompt of these 4 days so far? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, maybe it's this one, or I don't know. I really love how today's spread turned out. I hope you enjoyed creating alongside with me or just watching me create this junk journal spread. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. See you very, very soon. Happy junk journaling!